Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Now I would normally say, hey guys, cool, calm, curly here, welcome back. But for those of you dolls who may be new and you don't know who I am, you don't know what this is about, you don't know what we do here, I am Anne Marie. Welcome, thanks for clicking to watch this video and I hope you enjoy. So for today's video, as you can see, I'm working with some pretty nice stretched yet defined hair. Before we get into that, let's bring it back one more time. Before we get into this video and you spend the next 5 minutes of your time with me, go ahead and subscribe, okay? That's what I want y'all to do real quick. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. Like, comment, hit that bell, make sure your notifications are on. And if you're new, you're probably sitting there thinking like, well, let me give it some time. Like, let me watch the video, see what you about, see if I like it before I subscribe. And that's fine, because I'm gonna check in at the end again, just to make sure that you did subscribe and like and comment and hit that notification bell. So you could either save time and do it now, or you could do it in the next 4 or 5 minutes. It's cool, whatever you choose. I finally got my hands on some Mielle Organics. Finally, I'm sure most of you have already heard the rave about Mielle Organics. I was so happy to try these products out and share my thoughts with you guys. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys what I did, what I used, how I used it, all the good details. So let's get right into it. So of course, I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition with the Babassu oil and mint deep conditioner. I'm just gonna take some and squeeze it into my twist just so that I can keep my hair detangled. And at some point during my wash day routine, I always like to go in with my scalp massager, whether it's during the shampoo or the deep condition. Now that my hair is all soft and minty and smelling all good, I'm gonna go in with the white peony leave-in. I hope I said that right. But yeah, I'm gonna take the white peony leave-in and I'm just gonna spritz that throughout the whole section, work that in with my hands, making sure my hair is fully coated. And then of course, I'm gonna do a nice light detangle. I'm gonna do this throughout my whole head and then seal that moisture in with the mint almond oil, work that in nicely, and then I'm gonna top that with the avocado moisturizing hair milk. Once I work that in, I'm gonna go in with my favorite detangling brush and then I'm gonna begin to braid. For the 2 braids I'm doing in the very back of my head, I'm gonna do cornrows and then 2 regular braids. Once I get up to the front, I'm just gonna split that in half and do 2 cornrows. So far, I'm noticing that these products are on the light side, but very moisturizing. They almost all have that like instant softening effect as soon as you put it on your hair. So I'm done with this side and now I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. I have 2 cornrows for each front section and 3 braids for each section in the back. I air dried overnight. Now I'm gonna use some of the mint almond oil to take my braids out. I don't take these out in any special way. I just use some oil and take my time to avoid frizz. As I'm taking these out, I'm definitely liking the definition I have so far. I was a little afraid these products were too light and would cause my hair to frizz. Well, not frizz, but I didn't think it would have enough hold to give me the definition that I like. So once all the braids are out, I'm gonna pick the roots and the shaft of my hair, avoiding the ends because we don't want those getting all scraggly and causing any unnecessary frizz. Now I will say, for sake of having bigger hair on day 1, I prefer my original routine, but I know a lot of us can't get away with only 4 braids, so this is a perfect alternative. And since I like a more stretched look, I decided to try this on stretched hair. So I'm splitting my hair in 4 sections again. The back is gonna be split in 3, just like before. I'm gonna lightly spritz my hair, not too much. I don't want my hair to revert. Then I take 1 pump of the ginger honey styling gel and start braiding. And I'm repeating the process of spritzing some water, applying the gel, and braiding. I'm not doing anything much different. The biggest difference is the fact that I'm working on stretched hair and using the gel instead of a milk. The front is gonna be split in half and the section on top will be split in 2 again, so we'll have 3 braids for this section. I kept these in overnight again and I'm using some more mint almond oil to take these out. Mielle did it again. I'm loving this definition. My hair is pillow soft. You hear me? Pillow, okay? But it's still defined without giving me the slightest bit of crunch. Like, if you felt this with your eyes closed, you wouldn't think I had any definition. You would just think it was this big, soft cotton ball. Now I'm just gonna pick my roots and my shaft again. And then my indecisive self spent an hour trying to figure out how I wanted to wear this. It took me long enough to try these products, but I'm so glad I did. I would definitely recommend these 1000% to you dolls that need help instilling moisture back into your hair. And if you're like me and not a fan of product shopping online, Mielle Organics are now available at your local Walgreens. Thanks again for tuning in, dolls. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Most importantly, I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And of course, I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye.